Hey there, boys and girls. I'm here with Chapter 2 in Owl at Home, and Chapter 2 is called Strange Bumps. So let's go ahead and grab our Owl at Home packet, and this chapter has 2 pages to work on. So you should see Strange Bumps, and then the next page, page 6, it'll say Strange Bumps Continued. So 2 pages today. Let's go through the questions so we know what we're listening for. Number 1 says, what were the bumps that worried Owl? Number 2, why couldn't Owl figure out what the bumps were? How would you describe the word pleasant to someone? So we'll hear the word pleasant. How would you describe that to someone? What is the opposite of left? What is the opposite of bottom? And then make up your own set of opposite words. Turning the page to the continued side. Number 6, it says unscramble the following words and write them correctly. Then check them off in the word bank as you go. Okay, so here's the word bank. Your job is to figure out what scrambled word this is and then write it correctly. These are some words we'll hear in the story. And the last question for this chapter, write about a time you were scared of something. What were you scared of, and did you ever overcome the fear? How? So those are our questions for the chapter called Strange Bumps. We're going to go ahead and start reading. And here it is. Strange Bumps. Owl was in bed. It is time to blow out the candle and go to sleep, he said with a yawn. Then Owl saw 2 bumps under his blanket at the bottom of his bed. What can those strange bumps be? Asked Owl. Do you see them? Owl lifted the blanket. He looked down into the bed. All he could see was darkness. Owl tried to sleep, but he could not. What if those 2 strange bumps grow bigger and bigger while I'm asleep? Said Owl. That would not be pleasant. There's that word pleasant. Owl moved his right foot up and down. The bump on the right moved up and down. One of those bumps is moving, said Owl. Owl moved his left foot up and down. The bump on the left moved up and down. The other bump is moving, cried Owl. Owl pulled all of the covers off his bed. The bumps were gone. All Owl could see at the bottom of the bed were his own 2 feet. But now I'm cold, said Owl. I will cover myself with the blankets again. As soon as he did, he saw the same 2 bumps. Those bumps are back, shouted Owl. Bumps, bumps, bumps. I will never sleep tonight. Owl jumped up and down on top of his bed. Where are you? What are you? He cried. With a crash and a bang, the bed came falling down. He broke his bed. Owl ran down the stairs. He sat in his chair near the fire. I will let those 2 strange bumps sit on my bed all by themselves, said Owl. Let them grow as big as they wish. I will sleep right here where I am safe. And that is what he did. And that's the end of our chapter. Silly Owl. I bet you guys know what those bumps were. Thanks for watching.